Good day everyone and welcome again to my class. Today, we will discuss the first part of our module. Lesson 1. Characteristics of quantitative research. After going through this module, you are expected to 1. Describe the characteristics of quantitative research, and 2. Identify the strengths and weaknesses of quantitative research. In the previous module, you learned about qualitative research. Before proceeding to the lessons in this module, take time to read the major concepts about qualitative research. Concept 1. Qualitative research is an inquiry putting more emphasis on the experiences of the individual. Concept 2. Qualitative research uses smaller sample size chosen purposively. Concept 3. Open-ended questions are used to enable flexible discourse. Let us continue with Concept 4. Researcher is intimately involved in qualitative research. The role of the researcher in qualitative research is to attempt to access the thoughts and feelings of study participants. Concept 5. The research methods involved in qualitative research include interview, cultural texts or ethnography, case study and personal or life story. Concept 6. It is an investigation that is non-numerical. This time, let us have an activity using the Jamboard. In the word box below, find the 20 words hidden in the word grid. Copy the words in your notebook and write down the meaning of each word. It will help you gain better grasp of the lesson. If you need help, feel free to check a dictionary for words you want to understand more. Quantitative research is an objective, systematic, empirical investigation of observable phenomena by gathering quantifiable data analyzed using mathematical, computational or statistical techniques. The following are the characteristics of quantitative research. It is objective. There should be a basis of what the research is about. It also answers how many is to be measured. It is clear and systematic. There is an orderly procedure to arrive at the discovery of truth or a scientific acceptance. Quantitative research deals in numbers, logic, and an objective stance. Quantitative research focuses on numeric and unchanging data. Feasibility, as it relates to research, is the extent to which those who implement a research study or an intervention can practically do so within an identified authentic setting. Now, here are the strengths of quantitative research. In quantitative research, researchers tend to remain objectively separated from the subject matter. This is because quantitative research is objective in approach in the sense that, it only seeks precise measurements and analysis of target concepts to answer his inquiry. It is data-driven. Its focus is on counting or measuring. Samples must be carefully selected and reasonably sized because they represent a target population. It is a structured way of collecting and analyzing data obtained from different sources. Categories of responses are allowed to facilitate analysis of data in a quick and easy way to derive at a generalization. It uses statistical tools to generate results. Quantitative research can be replicated. It is very important that research can be replicated, because it means that other researchers can test the findings of the research. Replicability keeps researchers honest and can give readers confidence in research. I believe that you have already participated in a quantitative research many times, but maybe you are not totally aware. Here are the limitations and weaknesses of quantitative research. It may require a large number of respondents to determine pattern. This happens in longitudinal research and large-scale researches. Quantitative research is difficult, expensive and requires a lot of time to be performed the analysis. This type of research is planned carefully. The large number of responses entails production of research instruments. Quantitative research uses close-ended questions. For certain kinds of research, especially, if the researcher limited the options for respondents, it may affect the accuracy of the research. A closed-ended question offers, as its name suggests, a limited number of answers. Thank you and see you in our next lesson.